The benefits of using harsinger, also known as night jasmine, for arthritis. 1. Arthritis is a broad term for many conditions which involve joint and bone pain throughout the body. This can be extremely uncomfortable and lower the quality of life. 2. Ayurveda is an ancient form of natural medicine. The herb known as harsinger or night jasmine has been used for thousands of years to treat arthritis and joint pain. 3. Leaves are picked from the harsinger tree and boiled to make a herbal tea for arthritis. You can purchase these dried if you can't find them fresh. 4. Take 8 leaves and clean them with fresh water. Boil them in 4 cups of water. Allow them to boil until only 1 cup of liquid remains. Allow this to cool and then squeeze the leaves to drain all of the fluids. Sieve and drink. 5. Drink this every day for a maximum of 3 months and then take a break for 3 months and repeat. 6. Your arthritis pain will be significantly lowered during this process. Many people who use this natural remedy are able to walk better with increased mobility. 7. The leaves contain healthy antioxidants and nutrients which work to increase overall body health, especially in lowering inflammation in the joints. 8. This drink also has the positive side effect of helping to clear foggy vision by improving the health of the eyes. 9. Harsinger is more commonly known as night jasmine due to its beautiful white and yellow flowers which have a unique aroma. 10. To learn more about harsinger and natural arthritis remedies, please see our other videos. Thank you very much for listening. A like is always appreciated, and remember to subscribe for more healthy videos. I wish you great health, wealth, and happiness.